Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Wiser battery smoke alarm on a Wiser second generation system. The Wiser battery powered smoke alarm is a grade F1 smoke alarm that can easily be installed without the need to run any cables and is designed to provide additional fire detection alongside a wired smoke detection installation. In the box there is the Wiser battery smoke alarm, its backplate, a fixing kit, a dust cover and a set of user instructions. The Wiser battery smoke alarm can be installed on a wall or ceiling and should be located at least 1 metre away from a heat source or lights and in an area free from dirt and excessive humidity. It is supplied with a fixed battery that is non-replaceable and designed to last for the life of the product. The backplate includes a ratchet system that allows the smoke alarm to rotate to different positions, making it much easier to fit and achieve correct alignment. If the Wiser smoke alarm is being fitted in a dusty area whilst other renovation work is being carried out, it is important to fit the dust cover to prevent unwanted ingress. If more than one Wiser smoke alarm is being installed, these can interconnect so that all alarms will sound if any one detects smoke. Whilst the Wiser smoke detectors can interconnect without the need for a Wiser hub, for the best automated experience they should be added to a Wiser second generation system using the Wiser Home app. Launch the Wiser Home app and navigate to the Devices page. Click the plus button and pick from the list the Wiser smoke alarm option. Click the Scan QR code button and scan the back of the smoke alarm. Follow the app instructions by turning the unit on and then clicking the Setup button 3 times in quick succession. The front of the smoke alarm will show a flashing amber LED. After a few seconds, the device will join and briefly show a green LED. If the device fails to join or the amber LED flashes rapidly, the smoke alarm will need to be reset, and we have a video that shows you how to do this. Continue to follow the prompts on the Wiser Home app to name the device and add it to a room. The final step is to clip the smoke alarm onto its backplate. Now that the device has been installed, the smoke alarm will report back its status and can be set up to send push notifications if smoke is detected. The Wiser smoke alarm can also be made to work with other Wiser devices by setting up automations that run if smoke is detected. So now you know how to install the Wiser smoke alarm on the Wiser second generation system. For more information on the other devices available for Wiser second generation, head over to our website and don't forget to check out the other videos on our YouTube channel, Drayton Heating.